Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. Still, we are in car industries, and today we'll try to make a transit time report, and we try to find some delays in the data, and we will using the pivot tables for this purpose. So we already know the data, and we're looking for two tables that we know. So two columns that we know: order date and ship date. So let's mark it as yellow, and let's create two new columns. So our first step is to create base calculation, find the average transit time, and then compare it with the transit that we already have. So let's focus on the phase stage of it. So first stage, create two new columns. So let's put TT, like transit time, like a shortcut, and then if more than average. Okay, columns created. So first, this is the base logic, so it will be minus ship date minus order date. So let's ship date minus order date. If case that will be any error, let's make it like absolute value. So put formula absolute value, already it, and then scroll it down to have for all the columns the same date. If more than average. So now we want to look what is the average. So let's make a new value, use formula average, no, not this one, okay, and put all of the data. Give us 115 days. Let's make it as value. Let's delete all data after the comma, and when we have 115 days. For a new column, let's use some if condition, base if condition, if TT data is bigger than average data. Let's block the value here, then yes, if no, then no. And grab it to the below. We already know the condition formatting, so let's use that here to make that this is two control was created by us. So we're going to home, condition formatting, new rule, use formula to determine which color is formula. I want to fill it by this gray color, and is formula till the end. Okay, that's it. And oh, is it working? Let's just see what's happened. It's just marked the first one. Manage rules. Oh, let's once again make it and click apply. Yeah, that's it. We are done. So first stage is after us. We already know what is the transit time, and we already know how many lines we don't have. How many lines have delays more than average transit time. Next stage, we'll go and create the pivot table from it. So we're clicking A1 column, then insert, pivot table, from table range, and new worksheet. I was using the new worksheet because we'll try to find some information about it. So usually, let's maybe start to respond to some questions from this data. So my first question is, how many delays do we have? So in how many cases we're talking about delays? So first of all, if more than average, like columns, so no, yes. Then let's put ship ID like count value is summarized, so let's change it here. I want to see count, and I want to know the percentage of grand total. So let's put it here. So already know that 44 cases has delay. It's a big amount of the delays. So now we know how the structure is looking like, and we now to know some more information. So my second question is, which mode of transport have the worst transit times? So let's copy this data below, and let's find the, I think shipping was the name of the column. Let's put it here. And yeah, so we have air and trucks on the columns, and we receive information. Basically, we don't have any particular patterns here. So for delays, we almost is almost the same. So this information don't give us the answer in which mode of transport we have the worst case. Both are bad in this term. So my next question is, which shipping modes, because in this data we have additional information about the shipping mode. So on cases, yeah, ship mode standard is first class, same day. Then maybe we can check if there is any difference in it. So let's copy it here, and just change shipping to the, once again, the name of the column was ship mode. Okay, let's put it ship mode, and here we are as well. Pattern are they almost the same, nothing happened here. So this is better answer for us because 2 pivot tables and we still know what happened. Maybe just name the worksheet for pivot tables. And then I realized that maybe it's problem with the location of our retail centers or our factories, and we can check if there is any particular state which has the worst transit times. So let's change shipped and let's look how this was named. Maybe not the city, but state. State's good. Sounds good. State. Put state here. Let's filter it. Largest. Yeah, and here you already have some information that I would say that first 4 has the worst transit. Has the worst transit times, and this can be the problem. So the Texas, California, and Florida has the worst transit times, and I think that this can be the problem. So the location of our retail centers and the factories. I think that this is it for this video. Thank you for watching.